Ever stood at the counter, ready to pay, only to realize your preferred payment method isn't accepted? It's a common modern-day dilemma, especially with the rise of various digital payment platforms. Today, we're diving into FavePay, a popular cashless payment solution, to unravel its supported payment methods. Whether you're a seasoned FavePay user or just exploring its benefits, understanding your payment options is key to a smooth and rewarding experience. FavePay has positioned itself as a convenient way to pay at a wide range of merchants, often coupled with attractive cashback offers and discounts. But what exactly can you use to settle your bill when you opt for FavePay? Let's break it down. At its core, FavePay accepts a broad spectrum of traditional and digital payment methods. The most universally accepted are credit and debit cards. This means if you have a Visa, MasterCard, or even an Amex, though Amex acceptance has seen some changes in certain regions over time, so it's always good to double-check. You can link it to your Fave app and use it for FavePay transactions. The beauty here is that you can often earn both your credit card rewards and FavePay's cashback, essentially double-dipping on savings. For existing users, your saved cards remain readily available, while new users can easily add their card details within the My Payment Methods section of the Fave app. You can even save multiple cards and select a primary one for even faster checkout. Beyond traditional cards, FavePay has embraced the e-wallet revolution, particularly in Southeast Asia. Depending on your region, you might find support for popular e-wallets like GrabPay, Boost, especially prevalent in Malaysia, and Touch 'n Go, also primarily in Malaysia. This integration means greater flexibility, allowing users to leverage their existing e-wallet balances or linked cards for FavePay transactions. It's a testament to FavePay's goal of providing a truly cashless and convenient payment ecosystem. For those who prefer direct bank transfers, FavePay also supports online banking for specific regions, with Malaysia being a prime example. Services like Maybank to You, RHB Now, CIMB Clicks, and others are typically supported for FavePay transactions in that market. This caters to users who might not heavily rely on credit cards or e-wallets, providing another layer of accessibility. A notable feature that has gained traction is FavePay Later. This buy now, pay later option allows users to split their purchases into interest-free installments, typically 3 equal payments. It's a fantastic way to manage larger expenses, and for FavePay Later, the accepted payment methods are usually locally issued credit cards with sufficient validity. It's important to note that prepaid and debit cards are generally not supported for FavePay Later transactions, so keep that in mind if you're planning to utilize this specific feature. Lastly, for some selected FavePay partners, Alipay is also an accepted payment method. This is particularly beneficial for international users or those who primarily use Alipay for their transactions. You simply scan the FavePay QR code using your Alipay app. In essence, FavePay strives to be a versatile payment platform. By offering a mix of credit/debit card support, popular e-wallets, online banking options, region-specific, and its own pay later solution, it caters to a wide array of user preferences. This flexibility, combined with the enticing cashback and discount programs, makes FavePay a compelling choice for everyday transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.